Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today's video will be an unboxing and a review of these beautiful Madam Glam gel polishes. I want to send a special thank you to Madam Glam for sending over these gel polishes for me to try. So stick around to the end of the video for a discount code that can save you 35% at checkout. Fun facts, these gel polishes are vegan and cruelty-free, meaning they are not tested on any animals or use any animal-derived ingredients. Also, they are free from 21 of the most toxic chemicals found in nail polishes. And jumping right in, I will be doing some swatches of these colors. And first up is The Truth. Love the names of all the polishes, by the way. Very creative. And already I love the thickness or consistency of the polish. It glides on the nail extremely smoothly. It's very creamy, which is nice, and it's not streaky, and I can already tell with another coat or two it will have a flawless finish. And it becomes this very cute light beige color. Next on the docket is Coconut, and I think this is probably one shade lighter than the last color. Again, the consistency is on point with this polish. I even love the slenderness of the brush. It makes it easy to get in any corners and apply a perfect even coat. And this is after 2 coats. So pretty. Next we have Pivot, which I think is the perfect nude color. It can go well with almost any skin tone, and the polish is very rich and sophisticated looking. Yes, this can be the perfect base color for French tips or intricate nail art. I love it. Definitely will be keeping this color in rotation as one of my favorites. It is so pretty. The Change is next, and I picked this color obviously for the glitter, and it did not disappoint. This color is shimmery, and it can be sheer if you only use one coat, so that's helpful depending on the type of look you're going for. I love how it has mixes of chunky glitter, which adds a little dimension to the color. And this color is truly glamorous. The next color is also one of my favorites. It's called It's Not Christmas Yet. And it's this beautiful, sparkly, dark green. Perfect for this upcoming holiday season. It's super cute and creamy and has a very nice coverage. You'll definitely be seeing more of this color in future videos. And last but not least, this is a special treat, a lovely cat eye polish called Just Because. That's such a cute name. And it's this elegant maroon color, and I just use small magnets to move the polish to get that full cat eye effect, which turned out super cute. So these are all the color swatches, and if you're interested in purchasing these colors or any of the many beautiful gel polishes by Madam Glam, I will leave a link in the description box below. Also, you can use my code EasyNails35 to receive 35% off your entire order. Yes, your entire order. If you use my direct link, the coupon code will automatically activate. And at checkout, if you don't want to become a VIP member, Just use pay as you go option and save yourself 35%. And for today's set, I decided to do extra long square press-ons. And of course, I'm using Pivot as the perfect base color for this set. And keep in mind, I am doing 2 coats of this color so you can see the full effect of the color because it's truly really beautiful. With the holiday season approaching, I wanted to do a festive yet luxurious design. So I wanted something simple but eye-catching at the same time. And one thing I love about this gel polish is that it only takes 30 seconds to cure it in between coats, which makes it quick and easy. Next, I'm using the cat eye polish Just Because. And I'm using this color to create a diagonal design on one side of the nails. And of course, I'm only doing my thumb, first finger, middle finger, and pinky. Before I cure the polish, I'm using my mini magnets to really create a beautiful cat eye effect. And I just work the magnet along the polish until it has a design that's to my liking. I just like it to have just a little shimmer, a little sparkle. And it turned out really pretty. And as you see, I decided to just use all of my favorite colors from Madam Glam in this design. And I'm so glad I did because this glitter is so amazing. I think it really fits the color scheme of the nail and gives it that extra sparkle and glow that makes the nails really elegant and luxurious, and they seem, expensive. And next, I am using this beautiful dark green, which is the It's Not Christmas Yet color. And I'm just using this green and my nail art brush to create an outline around the edge of the nail. And since I decided to make my ring finger completely that color, It's Not Christmas Yet, I figured this would just tie the set together a little more so it looks, more cohesive. And I'm so glad I did. This is not a typical color scheme that I normally see, but the set turned out so cute, and I'm so glad I did it. It's different and I appreciate it. And these are how the nails turned out. Super cute and stylish, perfect for this holiday season. Again, I want to send a special thank you to Madam Glam for letting me try these beautiful vegan and cruelty-free gel polishes. I have the link in my description box that takes you directly to Madam Glam's website, and you can use coupon code EasyNails35 to receive 35% off your entire order. I want to thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next nail video.